Happy Small Business Month. Contact TD Insurance to learn more about business insurance.
Baby, why don't you like to dance like that? What a beautiful sight to see. If you wanna dance, dance with me. Show me how to move it, baby. Tell me why don't you like to dance.
Good morning. Welcome back to BT. As you heard just there, October is Small Business Month. A time to celebrate the businesses that help power our economy through so many different things right across communities and country of Canada. So we know that every small business is unique and that they operate in dynamic environments, which really makes flexible insurance important to help protect what they've worked so hard to build. So that's why we've invited back Steve Lauren, VP of TD Insurance, to break down how the right coverage can help small businesses. Steve, good to see you. Thanks for coming in from Ottawa, the nation's capital, to have a little chat about this because, listen, our small businesses are important. Why are they integral to our economy?
Yeah, small businesses really are the backbone of the Canadian economy. And as you mentioned, they do a significant amount of contributions to all of our neighborhoods. But it's not just the jobs that they create. It's also the products and services that they bring that really help Canada grow. And TD is really proud of the fact that we support thousands of small businesses across the country, protecting their business so they can do what they do best, and that's running their businesses. This month, given it's Small Business Month, I really like for us to champion small businesses, shop with them, share their stories and highlight all the great things that they do for all of our communities.
Yeah, business interruption coverage.
Yes.
What is that? Why is it so important for any small businesses out there?
Yeah, one of the biggest challenges is if your business is interrupted. So having small business interruption is really important. Coverage on that. So a couple examples, if you have a fire, if you have water damage, or there's a natural disaster we've seen, the weather is pretty bad, heavy rains or hail might impact your business. You can also have like major equipment failure. If your HVAC's not working, utility outages, gas, water, there's a bunch of reasons that you could actually have your business closed. So having business interruption insurance is really important to protect you against potential losses of income, but also you still have ongoing expenses for rent and payroll that's there, and having business interruption coverage could cover you during those potential losses.
So many different types of small businesses, a lot of home-based businesses. So do you have suggestions or coverage options that those maybe smaller home businesses should consider?
Yeah, so home-based insurance covers personal items. If we think of it that way, your furniture, clothing, that sort of thing. Home-based businesses might want to look at commercial insurance, though, because there's certain aspects around equipment, inventory, or liability risks that you might have that your home-based insurance might not cover you. So an example of this, let's say if you're a photographer, you have a studio in your home, and you have a water leak, and there's damage to your equipment in your studio. Your home-based insurance might not cover you for some of those expenses, where commercial insurance would protect you for that, as well as potential losses to your income that you might incur if you're closed down. And you have a studio, there could be wires lying around, and if someone trips and falls and is injured, yet again, your home-based insurance might not, your personal insurance might not cover you against that risk. So having business insurance is something you can do to help protect yourself.
What about a small business when customers are coming in and they suffer an injury in your place of business?
Yeah.
Are they on the hook for that?
Yeah, so again, I think this is why you need to reach out and have a conversation with a licensed advisor to talk to you about those risks and what that would be. Again, depending on your policies, your personal insurance might not cover that. So having the appropriate small business insurance is something you should look into to make sure that you're protected and you're protecting your business against that risk.
Yeah, feeling confident using insurance when, like you mentioned earlier, unexpected happens, you just don't know when. Why is it important? Yeah,
when you think of an emergency or something that happens, TD Insurance, we did a survey recently, and a significant number of responders, 94% said that they do have small business insurance.
Okay.
But
so that's good.
That's
right?
good.
Yeah.
But only 52% of them said that in an emergency or an issue that they would think about calling their insurance provider. So when you think of that, at the end of the day, you need to trust your insurance provider.
Why is that, do you think?
Yeah.
Are they concerned about, I don't know, getting sold something else, having to pay more? What is the... Is it the confrontation, talking, getting on the phone? Like, have you looked into that?
Yeah, not sure. So I think at the end of the day, maybe it's just not top of mind that's there.
Sure.
But at the end of the day, when you think about it, you need to trust your insurance provider. They are there to help you against these risks and certain things that could happen. So, at TD Insurance, you can reach out, speak directly with a licensed advisor who'd be there to give you professional advice that could help you through what is really a challenging situation.
It's the relationship building all the way through, because you never know when something's going to happen.
Absolutely.
Okay. When or where can we find more from TD Insurance?
Yeah, so easiest thing to do is reach out. Go to online to tdinsurance.com/small business. And I do want to say, it is Small Business Month, so a huge thank you to all the small business owners out there. They do a tremendous job with all of our communities, and happy Small Business Month.
Yeah, good stuff. Good seeing you, Steve. Safe travels back to our nation's capital. Let's get over to Devo Brown, taking a look at pet celebrations on this Wednesday.